of metal. This is going to be our welding / fab table. And this metal I got was all 80 bucks. So I have a piece of 3/16 inch plate. It is 60 inches long by 29 inches wide. And I got all the angle pieces that are going to make the uprights and the rest of the structure. And I paid 80 bucks for all this metal. And the reason it was 80 bucks is because it was drop steel from my local fabrication shop. And the drop steel is about half price as you would regularly pay. So from buying drop steel, I didn't get to choose the size of that piece. It's what they had. And if you start paying for having things cut, it's $10 a cut. So I just brought everything home and cut it myself. So now that this much is done, I'm going to start putting it together. All right, this is going to be just a basic rundown of how this is going to go together. Got the 4 legs. This is the top structure. This angle is also 3/16, so it's thicker. The way I did this is I channeled just the side pieces of angle so they fit right in the middle, flush, and gives me a good surface to weld through. Now, this is the top section. What I need to do to make this thing stronger still is I need to buy more of this 3/16 angle and run ribs across the top of it. I ran out of material, so that's something I'm going to have to do later. And the lower box section, 2 more 60-inch pieces. This is a little different. I notched one end and left the other end the same. The reason I did that, this is going to be the lower box. And I want it pushed in some, so I'm not kicking my ankles on it when I'm working. So that'll weld there. Alright, this is one of the legs that's going to be holding up the table. And I want this to somewhat be adjustable to meet the surface of the floor I'm working on. So we're going to run these bolts to the bottom of it. I'm also going to have wheels so I can roll it around, but when I get it where I want to, you bring the bolts out, it'll lift up the actual surface so that it's no longer on the wheels. And to do that, we're going to weld this nut in here. This is going to be our surface. And this is going to be an additional backing plate just to give me more surface to weld to. I'm going to get these 4 welded up and then we'll start working on the actual project. $40, I'm pretty happy.